Jeremy Wells, the Superman of Tech, and in this issue I will be putting on my Big Campus hat as we will discuss achievement features on My Big Campus. Achievements are an awesome option for engaging students and celebrating successes. Teachers can recognize the accomplishments of individual students, an entire group, or even a colleague. Achievements work very well if your school is doing a PBIS implementation. Now, if you are not familiar with PBIS, it is Positive Behavioral Intervention and Supports. It is a systematic approach to proactive school-wide behavior based on a response to intervention or an RTI model. PBIS applies evidence-based programs, practices, and strategies for all students to increase academic performance, improve safety, decrease problem behavior, and establish a positive school culture. Schools implementing PBIS build on existing strengths, complementing and organizing current programming and strategies. The PBIS model has been successfully implemented in thousands of schools in over 40 states, resulting in dramatic reductions in disciplinary interventions and increases in academic achievement. My Big Campus achievements are a great way to accomplish this digitally, which prevents you as a teacher from having to continually buy stickers or little toys, or even print paper awards which cost you paper and ink. Now, you can still have the paper awards and the treasure boxes and whatever you use to accomplish and acknowledge positive behavior. But hopefully I can give you a way to combine these with My Big Campus achievements and at the same time save you some money. The achievements represented by these badges, I'll wait for them to finish. These badges are displayed on the user's profile page for all to see. Each badge can be viewed and will include a detailed description on how they earned that achievement and under what circumstances. When used correctly, this can create a fun little competition among the students. They will be asking, who got a badge? What was your badge for? How can I earn a badge? Now, it's great for the students to be eager to earn badges, but please make sure that they are earning badges fairly and for the right reasons. So now let's look at how to create an achievement on My Big Campus. First, head to Drive in the left navigation menu. At the top of the screen, click the big blue New button and select New Achievement. Alternatively, you can access your achievements by clicking Achievements in the box to the right of the New button. This will take you to your achievements page, which we will view later, and the big blue button will now say New Achievement. Once you've reached this screen, it's time to create your achievement. Start by giving your achievement a name. Consider a name that is fun and catchy, but also gives the user an idea as to why they are earning this achievement. Next, provide a more detailed description. Explain the purpose of the achievement and under what circumstances the achievement was awarded. Choose among the badges available to represent your achievement, and finally, hit Save. Don't worry if you later discover that your achievement needs a more detailed description or if a student points out that there's a spelling error. It can all be changed later. Achievements can be easily managed from the Drive. Click Achievements from the box in the top right of the screen. Once you are on your achievement page, clicking the drop-down arrow on the achievement, you can award, edit, or delete that achievement. Now, let's take a moment to talk about your badges. Try not to use the same icons over and over again. Using the same icons may give the appearance that the student is receiving the same achievement again and again. Yet while seeing different icons clearly demonstrates different achievements. So you may need to be creative coming up with achievements that utilize the various icons. You may also want to organize your achievements. Now, as of this video, there isn't a smart folder for achievements, so you will find them loosely in your Drive, and they can be identified with the trophy icon. So I would start by creating a folder to move all of your achievements into. As you create more and more achievements, you may also want to create subfolders. This way you can group achievements by the topic, like classroom achievements or academic achievements, behavioral achievements, and so on. Now we're ready to award the achievement. You can find the achievement in your Drive. Make sure it is checked, and this will give you several options at the top of your screen. One of those will be to award. Now, this is useful if you have several achievements and can easily identify them by name only. You can also go to the achievement screen that we viewed earlier, locate the achievement, click the achievement, and then select Award Selected. This way is useful because it provides you with the description so that you can be sure you are choosing the correct achievement. Once you've chosen the achievement to be rewarded, you'll be brought to this pop-up window. Search for the individual or group to be awarded. You'll notice I'm searching for Clark Kent. Once I've located Clark Kent, you'll click the Add button to move them into the Selected section. You'll notice that not only have I added Clark Kent, but I've also added the group Mr. Wells is freaking awesome, because he is. Now, when you add a group, that means that every member of that group is going to receive the achievement. Once you've found everyone you wish to reward, click the Award Achievement button. Now, if you only intend to award an individual student and not multiple users, then you can easily do this from the student's profile page. Right under their picture will be a blue button to award achievement. Select the achievement to be given and voila! And just in case you were wondering, yes, you can award the same badge more than once to the same user. Now, you will have to go ahead and award it the first time, but then you can return and award it again and again. The badge will appear more than once on their profile page. You also have the ability to delete a badge. Now, this is just in case you accidentally award a badge, or if the student does something that warrants the badge to be removed. So, you might be asking, what exactly will the students see when they get an achievement? The users who have been awarded an achievement will receive a notification, and the achievement will now appear on their profile page. If they click on the achievement, not only will they find the detailed description, but they can also see other users who have been recently awarded the same achievement. Now that you are prepared to create, manage, and award your achievements, let's take a look at my super system of success with my Big Campus achievements. First, create a consensus for awarding criteria. Meet with your team and your PLCs to craft guidelines on which assessments, projects, assignments, and behaviors will qualify. Then decide what level of accomplishment will need to be achieved and what the timeline will be for awarding the badges. Next, communicate this criteria with your students. They're the ones earning the badges. They need to know how they can get them. Post the badge guidelines and rubrics in your classroom. Maybe consider tying them into bigger classroom policies, like for instance every 5 badges earns a homework pass or some bonus points or something. I, for instance, will add points to the badges. This way I can do a cash-in system. So 10 points worth of badges earns 5 points on a quiz. 5-point badges earns a bathroom pass. And then I go in and delete the badges. This way I don't have to keep up with the achievements anywhere else except right there on my Big Campus. And make sure the students know when to expect to see the badges. Positive reinforcement comes from being consistent and fair. So set a time frame like anytime badges, the badges that can be awarded any time for various reasons. Weekly badges that are awarded at the end of the week. Connect badges to a particular lesson or unit to be awarded upon their completion. And for some final tips, support a standards-based classroom. Use terms such as outstanding or mastery in your description. Students should feel that they have truly accomplished something when they receive a badge. And steer clear from posting numeric values. Badges should not be given for making A's and B's, and you should never post a student's grade publicly. Think of a way that every student can possibly earn a badge. Perhaps create a deep thinker badge for students who ask a great question in class. A first responder badge to the student who responds first on a discussion post. Or a keeping it clean badge for a student who helps clean up the room without being asked. These start to get interesting because students will point out when they do something that could earn them a badge. So I typically make it clear that some badges can only be earned when it is done without drawing attention to the act. Keep the students humble. The idea is to have fun and show some enthusiasm. Achievements encourage students to be their best and proud of what they accomplish. This is Laramie Wells, the Superman of Tech. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and feel free to email me at any time, supermanoftech@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again for our next adventure.